Task 4. Let's talk and share a speaking task. Good night. My name is Ivonne Soranitoro Barrera. I have 32 years old. I am studying psychology in the University Nacional Abierta de Distancia UNAD. I am 5 semester in Duitama City. So answer the question, what were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas we ate fritters. We no dancing very often. My family no dancing. We ate turkey and we went to sleep after 22. Now, welcome to the Boyacá, a typical dish, the Cocido Boyacense. Step 2. Preparation of Cocido Boyacense. Ingredients: oil, 5 long onions, 4 tomatoes, cumin, half a kilogram pork ribs, half a kilogram of chicken, half a kilogram of beef, 4 potatoes, 4 cups, half a cup of beans, a cup of peas, salt and pepper. Step 3. Preparation and recipe. Saute the onion, tomatoes in a pan, add a little salt, pepper and cumin. Add potatoes, vegetables and meats. The cumin with water and cook for 1 hour. And finish at the dish. Thank you.